Welcome to this quick little exercise. It's going to just reveal one new component which we haven't used yet called a control function. Um, and it's also going to allow us to do a nice little display for our user preset in the delays. The way we have it set up at the moment is anyone at any time can just overwrite the user preset without any stress or without really making a decision to do so, which I don't like. I like the idea of a write protect in place for that. And we can make that pretty easily. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to emulate. I go over to my delays infill set page. Whoops, wrong page. Here we go. There we go. And it's actually up on the delay display. All right. Which we can do. That's coming in from the bottom. That's nice. We might change that transition later on to a fade. I like the fade a bit better. And at the moment, as you can see, if I could just put in any number, we can go to our user preset, which is 77.7. I can put in 44.4, enter, and I can save that user preset. I've just overwritten the 77.7, which is kind of fine. However, I would like a write protect on this if I could possibly manage it. And there's a very quick way to do this. Let us stop emulating for a second. I'm going to go to System 2, which we previously called Legend. I've renamed it. And I've tidied it up a little, as you can see. So you could do the same. Now, I'm going to bring the properties out. I am. There they go. And I'm going to select this snapshot controller, which is doing our reset to 0 already on our keypad system, which is a gorgeous thing. When we hit clear, it goes to 0. Over here in the properties for that snapshot bank, we've named it, but there's a mode, and there's another mode called write protect, which is very nice because now I have a write protect, protecting all my presets from being overwritten. These two can't be overwritten from the page itself, from the UCI, but this one can be, and I'd like it to have a write protect, just another level of are you sure you want to do this, which we all see everywhere. I'm going to move this down a smidge so that I can open up the write protect tab there, which is really kind of cool. And I'm going to drop this write protect onto our layer, which is so good. So we can do that. So write protect, and I'm just going to drop that. And it'll work for me. Copy, paste. This will work. Why is that? Not on layer 2. I'm on this layer. Set layer. Paste. There we go. I didn't have the right layer selected. All right. Okay. Now you know too. You have to have the layer itself selected before you can drop it on. We have that write protect. So let's emulate and see what this does. It's kind of nice. Write protect will probably default to being on, and it does. Good. Now I can't save the user preset unless I declick the write protect. Now I can save the user preset. Wonderful. And I can write protect it again. And this is good. It's fine. It works. But I'm a little bit where I'd like a status display as well, and an LED to go with that, just to make sure everyone understands the write protect is on or off, with an LED and a status saying on or off. And this is sort of simple to do. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do write protect, and I'm going to create a little tag called LED, which is there now. And I'm going to go over to my schematic elements. I'm going to ask for a custom control. Friend the custom control. They're fun. and I'm going to select a type of custom control that is LED. Cool. So now if I hook up LED for that, and I open that up, pull it out there. Now we emulate, it should be that the LED tracks the write protect status. Good. It's on. It's off. Great. We've got an LED. So that's one thing. But I would like a status display also to say on or off. Just because, why not? Good. So there is a way we can do that. And it's with a selector. If I get a selector, because selectors don't have to be doing anything other than displaying something if we do it that way. I'm going to put selector 1 and selector 2 out. And in this selector, when I emulate, I'm going to put 2 values. Put on, put off. Good. So I'm going to put the value, this display, out here. And I'm going to make selector 1 the LED. Good. So this should work. But we've got to get it to do selector 2 somehow. And we can't do, so I need another thing which will kind of flip the LED status to a different status. And there is a way to do that. If I do control function, one here, comes out looking like that, which is insane. We don't need that. It's a value sum function at the moment. There are tons of different functions that you can put this control function to be. And what I want to do is do a logic not. So what that's going to do is, if it gets a positive, it's going to output a false. And if it gets false, it's going to output a positive. I've made it into one channel. So I'm going to do LED into that as well. And out of here, I'm going to make a not LED. And I'm going to put that selected to. See what happens now if we emulate. And I'm going to also bring out this write protect so we can look. So I want you to watch this up here, please. So as you can see, write protect is on. It's triggered the LED, and now we have the on value as well. And if I do that, it says off. So the LED goes off and the status changes because we've forced the selector to do that by using this logic not, which is very, very groovy. I do like it so much. So now, if I F7, oh, that's not what I was hoping to do at all. Get back into my screen. Excuse me. Perhaps I'll just use the menu like I have been. I can't remember my password now. Hose. There we go. Here we are. We're back again. Good Lord. I want to disconnect. Thank you. My F7 also shuts my screen down or locks my screen. Fantastic. Good. And what we want to do is grab these status and LED. We want to copy that and we want to paste that here. We can put the LED down the bottom if we want to, just to make it so neat. Okay. So let's emulate. Let's see what we have. Good. Write protect is on. We can't save the user preset. The LEDs and the status is on. If I hit write protect, it goes to off the LED, and now I can save the user preset. It's a neat little trick. I enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.